Why do companies fail? And here we were not talking about just SMEs, we are talking about big companies. And one of the things that I found out is that all businesses fail at some point. It's just that not
all businesses fail at some point.
All businesses fail at some point. It's just that some go completely dead, others are resuscitated, others, they have, heart issues, but the issues are sort of resolved. And all of them had one thing in common. They all ran into a cash crunch. So, once again, just to make the point, the most important thing when you're running your business, I don't care whether it's a salon, whether it's a multinational business, whether it's a law firm, whether it's an interior design firm, whether it's a media firm, the key thing that will tell you whether your business is doing well is how much cash is it generating in a year.